Welcome to this mini grammar lesson on using two verbs together, following the patterns of verb plus infinitive and verb plus object plus infinitive. In this lesson, you'll explore two grammatical patterns, verb plus infinitive and verb plus object plus infinitive. You'll learn about two groups of verbs that use these patterns. Then you'll be ready to practice using these structures in your classes and everyday life. There are some common verbs, such as the verb want, that can be followed by an infinitive. In this example, Jenna's friend asks a question. She says, "Jenna, do you want to earn a degree from ASU?" To earn is the infinitive verb that follows want. There are some common verbs, such as the verb want, that can be followed by an infinitive or followed by an object with an infinitive. These verbs can use both patterns. Here you see an example. First, Jenna answers that she wants to earn her degree at ASU. Notice that the infinitive to earn follows the verb want. In the next sentence, Jenna explains that she wants to earn her degree at ASU, but she also wants her brother to get his degree here too. Use this pattern verb plus object plus infinitive when you or the subject of the sentence wants someone, the object, to do something. Luckily, there is a group of verbs that follow the same patterns as want. They can be followed by an infinitive, such as want to go, want to eat, or they can be followed by an object, the person or thing they want to do something. I want you to do well in this course. Would you like to know a few common want verbs? Here are some common want verbs. Let's begin with the obvious. The first word is want. Then there's would like, need, love, like, expect, prefer, hope, wish, and expect. What else would you like to know? One group of verbs that follows this pattern, verb plus object plus infinitive, is called persuade verbs. Here are some common persuade verbs that follow the verb plus object plus infinitive pattern. Obviously, persuade, advise, authorize, cause, compel, convince, encourage, tell, teach, force, urge, and warn. This group of verbs is transitive, meaning it is always followed by an object. Here the verb is advise, which is a persuade verb. She advised him. The verb advise is followed by him, the object. Notice there's no other verb, but this thought is quite simple, and often the object is followed by the infinitive. As you can see here in the sentence, she advised him to study. You've come to the end of this lesson. See how you do on this quick quiz. What are the two groups of verbs you learned about? Did you say want and persuade? Great. What patterns do each group follow when followed by another verb? That's right. Want verbs can follow two patterns, verb plus infinitive and verb plus object plus infinitive, while persuade verbs must be followed by an object, and often followed by an object plus an infinitive. Excellent work! Thanks for your attention.